Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I want to share with you the latest update on Tesla mobile app because now you can see how much you pay each time you charge at home without having to use third-party app anymore. Let's have a look at the app. First thing first, you have to download the latest version of Tesla mobile app, which is version 4.5.1. When you first open the app, in the main menu, you will see additional option, which is charge status. After you click on the charge status, the first thing you see is the total charge kilowatt hours and the total spent, how much you pay in the last 31 days. These status are generated by default of your location and your utility provider. And you can also check how much you spend each day when you charge at home. The new update also shows total gas saving compared to your gas price based on your location. Next, average cost per kilowatt hour. In this section, you can also customize it based on your utility bills to be more accurate. Because some household might have special discount does not match what they have. And then this next part is really helpful, which is time of use at home, because before I download the latest update, I didn't realize I was charging during the mid-peak the whole month last month. So that's helped me a lot to realize, oh, the mid-peak time has changed because of winter. For example, here in the setting, based on your utility provider, it shows that the off-peak now it's 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. because before it's changed, the off-peak used to be at 9 p.m. at night until 8 a.m. in the morning. So I usually plug my car in during the night. And now because of this update, made me realize now I have to change charging time to during the day instead of at night, which is really helpful. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I think this is probably one of the best update on Tesla mobile app so far. And let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you on the next video.